My name's Sri. I am driver to BOMA.
Hi, thank you. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I took a 40 minutes flight from Ho Chi Minh City and I'm now in Nha Trang. I'm staying at a relatively new resort called the BOMA Resort, B-O-M-A, the BOMA Resort. It is under nomination for the World Luxury Hotel Award and that caught my attention. Although it's like an hour from the airport, it's relatively close to the city center. So it's about 15 minutes to Nha Trang City and the night market and things like that. Although it's close to the city, but it has the full ocean view and everything in my room. I'm staying at the ocean pet room, which is one of the highest category with the view. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour on that. So as I say, it's a relatively new property. So you can see everything is quite new. On my left hand side, walking in, is a very spacious bathroom. And this is the bathtub that I like. Okay, and then this is the hair dryer, and of course they have a nice big rain shower here. And this is the amenity: shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Okay, again, this is a very good size, spacious bathroom on my left. Okay, so walking right in is the closet. So actually they have a beach bag, which I've already put in stuff, ready to go out. And then this is the bathrobe, an umbrella for laundry, safe deposit box, and 2 pair of slippers to go out as well. Okay, moving right along. This is the bed. And then on my right hand side is actually the minibar. So they do have the Nespresso machine with the 4 capsules, the kettles, and then the mineral water and tea or coffee is free of charge, and minibar is chargeable. So let's check out what is in the minibar. Okay, so it's a fully stocked minibar. So you do not need to worry about going out to buy snacks. Everything is here. Okay, so Getting back here first, I always check, on the mattress, on the linen, on the pillow, so everything is up to the standard. And then this is the work desk. And then thank you for the welcome gift, the goodies, and some fruit. Okay, so actually this is the view. I'm standing back a little bit to show you. It's not a partial view from one of the window, but rather is the whole ocean view here. Okay, before I go out to show you the best part of the view, I want to point out, actually I just caught it on the TV. They do have shuttle bus to the city. So they will drop off from the BOMA resort during some time, pick up from Anna Beach, AB Central Mall, as well as the Gold Coast Mall at different point of time. So they did provide shuttle bus to the city, which is quite convenient. And because it's a new property, it's quite digital savvy. They have an app that you can download and that you can communicate with that team digitally if you prefer. Okay, so now getting to the best part, I'm getting out. Okay, so yep. So the balcony is of the same size of the room. I mean, like this distance. Okay, and then you can see is the ocean view. Wow, isn't that amazing? Such a great property. Okay, so I'm going to check out the swimming pool because when I look at the website, the swimming pool, a lot of the facilities are pretty good, and the spa, fitness club. And then I'm also going to have breakfast here tomorrow morning. So I'm going to share with you my experience at this hotel. Okay, so again, follow me and then I will show you my whole experience at the BOMA resort in Nha Trang. Good morning. I'm waking up and showing you the view as guys, I'm at the BOMA resort in Nha Trang. Let me get out.